In my last video, I cut off this piece of I-beam to use as an anvil. And right now the steel is pretty thick, and I could use this as an anvil. But to make this more durable, I want to add some support to the side, and I want to add some more thickness to the top. For the top of the anvil, I want to add some 5/8 flat bar, and initially I wanted to put another piece of 5/8 flat bar on the sides to give it further support. But with the thickness of the web and how thick the top is going to be, I think the only thing I need to worry about is the web bending if I hit it on one side too much. So I'm just going to take some really thick round stock, and I'm going to weld a section of it in the middle. Now that I've got the top piece ground down, what I've done is I ground down a groove in the thicker steel, so when I go to weld it, I'm not welding just a surface weld. I'm actually going deeper into the base metal and melting more metal, so it's a stronger weld all the way through. Then when I have the top piece welded in, I'm going to weld the supports in about right there. And this will give it support so that the web doesn't bend when I hammer the top of it. And after all that welding, I finally got it done. I think it's going to hold up pretty well for what I'm going to put it through. I'm not going to be using it for anything too big, so it should last me a pretty good long time. If you have any ideas for what I can make using the anvil, let me know in the comments.